Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool mid-phone right here, and basically what this is electric toothbrush. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and right here is what the pot looks like. And for this part right here, it actually has an app option, so that way you guys can maintain everything on here in terms of how often you guys brush your teeth and etc. If you see on the side right here, they tell you guys all the different toothbrush heads that they provide for you guys. And also on the side right here, they provide you guys some more information in terms of the benefit of each one of these toothbrush heads. And then this side right here, they provide you guys some more specs and features that's on here. So there's 5 cleaning modes, 3 intensity level, a pressure sensor, and a 1 full charge on the product can give you guys up to 14 days of usage. And the actual toothbrush is rechargeable, so if you guys want to leave it charging all the time, you guys are fine. And if you guys want to use the app is called Philips Sonicare app. And I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. But first, let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. And then once you guys open up, first thing we see inside right here is a little welcome card. And then right underneath that, we have everything else. So let's take everything out first. So inside right here, we can see they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here, we do have the toothbrush and the toothbrush head. And then right underneath that, we have everything else. So let's take everything out first. So first thing we see inside right here, they provide you guys a little glass. So I'm not sure if it's here or not right here, but they do have the brand logo, Philips Sonicare. And this is real glass. So you definitely want to be careful and handle with care when you guys use it. Right underneath that, you can see we do have the charging cable. So once you guys take it out, this actually looks right here. So you definitely want to plug it into the wall outlet. And for this part right here, you guys want to put it underneath the cup. So just like that. And you want to put your toothbrush on top, so that way you can recharge your toothbrush. And I'll show you guys how to do it in a second. But that is definitely really unique because I've never seen that before. And then right here, they provide you guys a lid. And for this lid, you guys want to put it on top right here. So just like that. Or if you guys want to, you can definitely put it on top right here as well. So that we can recharge it on here instead of on the cup. Right here, they provide you guys a little case. So once we take it out, this actually looks right here. And once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So you definitely have 1 slot for you guys to put in the toothbrush right here. And then 2 slots for you guys to put the toothbrush head. And then once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. And it does have a magnet on here to actually seal it up and hold it in place. And on the bottom right here, if you can see, we do have a compartment as well. So once you guys open up, this is what the bottom part looks like. So I'm assuming this part right here is actually a wireless charging case. Then you use a charged electric toothbrush. But we'll test that out in a second. Right here we have all 4 of the toothbrush. So depending on which ones you want to use, that is up to you guys. But I'm actually open up to show you guys what each one looks like. So right here they do have a tongue brush that you can use to clean off your tongue. And then right here we have the premium gum care brush head. This one right here is a premium white brush head. So once you guys take this one out, this is what the inside looks like. And I really like how they provide guys a little cover for each one of these. Same thing for the other one that I showed you guys earlier right here. You can see. And then for the last one that we got right here is a premium plaque controlled brush head. So once you guys take it out, this actually looks like this one here. And the last and final thing that we have right here is a toothbrush. So once we take it out, this is what the pot looks right here. The one that we got right here is a gray color, but I do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. So on the top part here is where you guys want to insert the brush head. Right here we have the power button. And right here we do have the mode button. So definitely change all the different settings on here and the intensity level as well. So if you guys want to use it, first what I'm going to do is press the power button right here. And that turns it on. If you guys want to change the intensity level on here, you guys want to press on this button right here. And then if you guys want to change the different settings on here, you do need to turn it off first. So if you guys want to change it now, you can definitely change it. So I press on this button right here. You guys can change it between the 5 cleaning modes on here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the bottom right here is an indicator light to show you guys when the product is on or off. And definitely the way how to design this toothbrush right here is fully waterproof. So if you get water on here, it's completely fine, since it does have the wireless charging as well. And there's no hole or anything in the bottom. So before we actually test this out with my teeth, I want to show you guys how to charge it up first. So let's try out this option right here first. So I'm going to plug it in the cable. And then for this test, I want to put this on top. And then once you guys do that, you just want to put the toothbrush on top. So you see on the bottom of the device right here, it shows you guys that it is charging. So that is one way for you guys to charge it. Another way for you guys to charge it is by putting it onto the actual cup. So we take this off and then put this on top. If you guys put it inside, you can definitely charge it like that as well. And the last way for you guys to charge it is by using the case. So I'm actually plugging the cable on there first. So I'm going to take out the cable in the bottom right here. And I love how they actually have a good cable management on here, so it actually keeps it hidden. But once we have it plugged in, let me actually test it out. So we just put it inside right here. You can see it start charging because it lights up in the bottom right here. You guys hear that little beep. And this option right here is actually really handy. So that way you can bring along with you guys when you guys are traveling with 2 of these toothbrush heads on the side. And then once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. and wait for it to fully charge before I do it again. So that is everything that's included in this part right here. Now I'm actually download the app to show you guys how that works first. Alright, so I just finished downloading the app. Let's get started. It will ask you guys to connect it onto Toothbrush. So let's do that first. Alright, so it's searching for Toothbrush. Alright, so I found it. And I'll tell you guys to create an account. So let me actually do that first. Alright, so once you guys finish setting up your account, this is what the app looks like right here. If you guys click on this button right here, it will guide you through the process of cleaning your teeth, of which part to actually start and which part to end, and how long to actually brush. So let's say if I pick a random head right here and stick it in. Once we turn on, so you can see how she guides you through the teeth in terms of how long to brush it. And then once you guys are done, they actually give you guys a reminder to let you guys know whether or not you guys floss. If you guys didn't, you should definitely do that as well. So that is everything that's on the part right here. Let me just go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works first. And I will come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the toothbrush. Let me actually test it out to see how well it works. But obviously before I actually start using it, I do want to floss my teeth first. So the flosser that I'm using is from this brand right here. Alright, so that should be good. Now let's actually test out the toothbrush. I'm going to use the glass cup that we got right here. So the toothpaste that I'll be using is this one right here. So the setting that I'll be using is clean and testing level 3. So let's test it out. So that is how you guys use the product on here. Eventually it definitely does work. And actually turns off by itself after the preset time on here. And when I notice while I'm brushing my teeth on here, every time I'm brushing a certain section, after a certain amount of time on here, it actually has a little buzz. And that buzz is for you guys to know when to actually change the next section. So you guys want to change from here to here to here, and etc. And then once you guys are done using the product, you guys want to charge it back up. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys charge it back up. Alright, so right here I do have the product. All you need to do is go like this. And it starts charging. And then obviously when you guys are done using product, you want to put the cover back on top, which is this one right here. So just like that, and it's all set. So very simple and very easy to use. But that is basically everything that's on the product here in terms of how to use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test the product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. And it's also really cool how she give you guys different toothbrush head to change depending on what you guys want to use it for. And also the fact that how she give you guys the option to use the app as well to keep track of how long and how often you guys brush your teeth. That is actually really cool as well. But now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality electric toothbrush that's all the different specs and benefits that's on here. Then we definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.